Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cat furniture repellent is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for cat owners struggling with their feline friends' destructive tendencies towards furniture. This spray promises to deter cats from scratching, climbing, or chewing on your prized possessions, offering a humane and effective way to protect your sofas, chairs, and other valuables without harming your beloved pet. We will explore the top contenders in the market, examining their effectiveness, safety, and overall value to help you choose the perfect repellent for your home and your cat. Number 5. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator. It's time to banish those stubborn pet smells from your home. This powerful odor eliminator tackles even the toughest messes, leaving your space smelling fresh and clean. It's not just masking odors, it's destroying them at the source. The unique enzyme formula breaks down odor-causing proteins, preventing those smells from returning. This little bottle packs a big punch. Just mix a few tablespoons with water, and you'll have a large amount of powerful odor eliminator ready to use. From carpets and furniture to tile and even grass, it effectively eliminates pet odors on a variety of surfaces. It's your go-to solution for all pet-related messes. It's not just effective, it smells amazing. The pleasant citrus scent leaves your home smelling fresh and clean, while being safe and gentle for your beloved pets. What we like? If you're battling stubborn pet odors, this is your best bet. It's highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way, saving you money in the long run. The citrus scent is amazing. It leaves your home smelling fresh and clean, not like harsh chemicals. If you need a powerful, yet pleasant-smelling odor eliminator, this is the one for you. What people say. Product worked well, removed pet stains and odor effectively. This product didn't just get rid of the lingering dog smell, it completely eliminated the urine odor too. It has a nice orangey smell. It does cover the smell, and I noticed that the cat didn't pee in the spots where the substance was applied. Number 4. Panther Armor Cat Tape. Tired of your cat scratching your furniture? This double-sided tape is the solution. It deters scratching without harming your pet. You get 12 large sheets in 3 sizes to protect all your furniture. The largest sheet provides great coverage. Each sheet has easy peel tabs for simple removal. It's perfect for training your cat and protecting your furniture. It adheres firmly to your furniture without pins. This provides reliable protection for your couch and other surfaces. It works on most fabrics, but please avoid using it on leather, velvet, or microfiber. It's a great way to protect your furniture. With its strong adhesive and large sheets, it offers reliable protection. Train your cat and keep your furniture looking new. What we like? This product is a game changer if your cat is scratching your furniture. The double-sided adhesive is super strong, yet the tabs make removal easy when you're ready. It's a simple, effective way to protect your furniture without harming your cat. If you're looking for a simple solution to deter scratching, this is it. What people say. These honestly have made a huge difference in the scratching habits of my cats. Overall, I've been fortunate to have little general issues with my cats scratching my couch, but sometimes they get a wild hair and I use these to deter claws in my furniture. The adhesive sheets are thick enough to withstand even the most vigorous scratching attempts. This is vital as other products I've tried in the past would get easily torn, rendering them ineffective. With this deterrent, my couch has remained unscathed even after months of use. The Panther Armor Scratch Deterrent Tape has been a lifesaver. My cat used to treat my couch like a scratching post, but this tape has completely solved the problem. Effective protection. The double-sided sticky tape creates an instant deterrent. My cat immediately stopped scratching the areas where I applied it. Number 3. Stelucca Cat Scratch Protector. Tired of your cat scratching your furniture? This innovative protector is the perfect solution. It's easy to apply and will keep your furniture looking new. Its clear design blends seamlessly with your furniture. The adhesive backing keeps it firmly in place, preventing damage from those pesky claws. Cats love to scratch, it's in their nature. This protector discourages scratching without harming your furry friend. It's designed to be non-sticky on the surface, so it won't attract hair or lint. Simply wipe clean for easy maintenance. It stays put thanks to its secure adhesive. Please note, it's not recommended for leather furniture. Protect your valuable furniture from those inevitable cat scratches. Enjoy a beautiful home without worrying about damage. What we like? Looking for an invisible solution to protect your furniture? This clear protector is perfect for those who want to keep their furniture looking pristine. It's super durable and easy to apply. If you want a discreet way to protect your furniture from scratches, this is the best option. What people say. These sheets hold firmly to the walls, doors, and carpet but do not remove the paint on the doors when removed. Easy to mount on the chair and prevent damage. They are nice and large. If needed, easy to cut to size. And the adhesive does an admirable job. Number 2. Panther Armor Furniture Protectors. Say goodbye to cat scratches on your furniture. This innovative protector keeps your furniture safe and looking its best. It's the ultimate defense against those pesky claw marks. This product is perfect for any surface that your cat loves to scratch. With 10 large sheets, it's easy to cover any area. Simply cut it to the size you need. These durable sheets and secure pins provide extra protection. They're built to withstand even the most enthusiastic scratching. It's compatible with a variety of fabrics. However, please note it's not suitable for leather, velvet, or microfiber. Applying and removing it is a breeze. It peels off cleanly without leaving any sticky residue. Panther Armor is committed to protecting your home from your cat's claws. Explore our full range of solutions. What we like? For ultimate protection, this is the one. The tear-proof material and strong adhesive ensure your furniture stays safe from even the most determined scratcher. Plus, it's easy to remove without leaving any sticky residue. If you need the strongest protection, this is your choice. What people say. They're very sturdy, easy to apply, and people barely even notice them. Most importantly, when the cats try to scratch it they get bored and immediately go to their cat tree. I used the pins for the surfaces that didn't adhere as well, and while I was afraid they would damage the upholstery, they did not. Also love the fact these aren't sticky on the outside, collecting hair or debris. They are clear and smooth, and while you notice them, they don't look tacky. It has completely stopped my cat from scratching where I put it. Also, it comes with the little screw-in buttons, so no need to order those separately. Number 1. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator Kit. Say goodbye to pet odors with our complete kit. It includes a powerful odor eliminator and a UV flashlight to easily locate those hidden stains. The UV flashlight helps you pinpoint the source of the odor, so you can effectively target the problem area. Our pet odor eliminator is tough on odors but gentle on your home. It's safe for use on most surfaces. It smells of sweet citrus, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean, without harsh chemical smells. Simply remove your pet from the area, clean excess mess, shake well, spray, and let it dry completely. It's that easy. This versatile product can be used on various surfaces, from carpets and floors to even outdoor areas. It's a multi-purpose solution for all your pet odor problems. Remember, it's crucial not to apply it directly to your pet or use it in a diffuser. Cats and birds may be sensitive to certain ingredients. What we like? This kit is perfect for a thorough cleaning. The UV light helps you find hidden stains, while the odor eliminator tackles even the toughest smells. The citrus scent is a bonus. If you need a complete solution to eliminate pet odors, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It takes it all away and leaves a clean citrus scent. It's amazing. Very effective at removing my elderly dog's urine stains and strong odors quickly. I like the fresh citrus fragrance. This is, without a doubt, the best pet odor eliminator I've ever used. We're dog people, so this works great on regular old dirty dog smell, wet dog smell, hound smell, urine, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.